Hi, I'm Mr. Weather, joined by Mr. Relevant. Let's venture into Earth science news and events that occurred through the month of August. This is the monthly What's What.
August came with the announcement that NASA astronaut Jeanette Epps will be joining fellow astronauts Sunita Williams and Josh Cassada as a crew member on the first operational flight of Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft to the International Space Station. The expedition is set to launch in 2021 and last the duration of 6 months. Epps will become the first Black American woman to live and work in space for an extended period of time. Epps' ISS mission in 2021 will follow astronaut Victor Glover's 6-month mission scheduled to launch no earlier than October 23rd of this year. That will make Glover the first Black American male astronaut to go into space for an extended amount of time. Both Epps and Glover are not the first Black Americans to visit the ISS, but they will both make history as the first Black Americans to work and live in space for a long period of time.
It has been a hot summer for the United Kingdom. This past month, the United Kingdom experienced a heat wave that had its longest stretch of temperatures exceeding 34 degrees Celsius, around 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The extreme heat lasted for 6 days in a row, the first time this has happened since records began in the 1960s. Not only did the UK experience this extreme heat, but they also were met with severe thunderstorm warnings and heavy rain across the country, where 1.1 to 1.6 inches of rain fell in less than an hour in some places. Many areas dealt with flooding, damage to buildings, travel disruptions, and power outages.
After the 2016 election, the Trump administration started the withdrawal process to back out of the Paris Climate Agreement. As the United States comes closer to the 2020 election, we also become closer to the withdrawal from the Paris Climate Agreement effective on November 4th, 2020, a day after the presidential election. The Paris Climate Agreement was developed in 2015, which for the first time brought all nations into a common cause to undertake ambitious efforts to combat climate change and adapt to its effects, which enhanced support to assist developing countries to do so. The Accord has an overall objective of keeping global temperature rise this century well below 2 degrees Celsius. The climate crisis is arguably one of the most important issues the entire globe faces and will have a major impact on future generations if there aren't efforts to reduce harmful man-made climate influencers. When you vote this November, keep in mind the impact your vote has on the environment. You can register to vote at www.vote.org and see more information regarding the Paris Climate Agreement at www.unfcc.int.
Thank you for joining us. Watch the monthly What's What on the first Wednesday of each month. Please subscribe to Mr. Weather's World on YouTube for exciting new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.